This is an important weather statement for the following counties in Michigan: Livingston, Macomb, Oakland, and Washtenaw. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a wind chill warning, which is in effect from 7 a.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Wednesday. A winter storm warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Hazardous weather, light to moderate snow will continue this morning. Additional snow accumulations of 2 inches are expected by the noon hour. Heavy snow will develop late this afternoon and persist into the evening. Additional accumulations of 6 to 8 inches by late this evening. A total snow accumulation of 9 to 12 inches with locally over a foot. Wind chills will drop to between 25 and 35 below zero during the day Monday as temperatures fall below zero. Impacts: snow-covered roads will result in treacherous road conditions. Visibility will fall to 1/4 of a mile at times. Blowing and drifting snow, particularly affecting west-east-oriented roads. Exposure to such bitterly cold conditions will cause frostbite in a short period of time. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow are expected or occurring. This is an important weather statement for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee, Monroe, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a wind chill warning, which is in effect from 7 a.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Wednesday. A winter storm warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Hazardous weather, light to moderate snow will develop this morning. Snow accumulations of 1 to 2 inches are expected by the noon hour. Heavy snow will develop this afternoon and persist into the evening. Additional accumulations of 5 to 8 inches by late this evening. Snow accumulations of 6 to 9 inches are forecast before snow ends late Sunday evening. Wind chills will drop to between 30 and 40 below zero during the day Monday as temperatures fall below zero. Impacts: snow-covered roads will result in treacherous road conditions. Visibility will fall to 1/4 of a mile at times. Blowing and drifting snow, particularly affecting west-east-oriented roads. Exposure to such bitterly cold conditions will cause frostbite in a short period of time. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow are expected or occurring. This will make travel very hazardous. Prepare, plan, and stay informed. Visit http://go.usa.gov/R8. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs.